very quick intro here. We're back on the Calsag for the second tournament of the year with Calsag bass anglers. It's the Saturday after lacrosse from the national qualifier, so we'll see what we can get into today. Hopefully get some vengeance on that close call to get into the top 20. So let's see what we can get into today. All right, first fish of the day. Wasn't recording. Nice little largemouth. Can't get this mini max out. All right, looks like we're on something here. He's choked that. Another nice little largemouth. Let's go. Oh, that's what I needed. I don't know if it'll help. All right, we just got off the water here, second Calsag tournament, and it was a tough one today, but managed to scrap together a small limit, just under 9 pounds, right at like 8.8. So it was a tough day out there. I mean, 12 pounds got paid today, so 15 pounds won. So it was a tough one out there, very stingy, but worked hard just to get a limit, and proud of that small limit. So okay day, not great, but definitely improving down here on the Calsag. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.